Hello, 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 hello. Okay, I think that's good. And now let me fix the chart first. On actually, I wanna see if first of all I have to mark the levels. The top two levels there will be. It is weekly chart. Okay, here is our weekly spot. I can write. Yeah, this is our weekly spot resistance. I think let me make things clear. Is anyone watching or not? Okay, here is our weekly resistance, and now we wanna make another important point is here. This is second most important point. It's this is the close resistance, and this is the third resistance here. This is the third resistance, and I wanna make one thing clear that these resistance are make sense because are making sense because you can see that all these resistance are in higher time frame, not in lower time frame. Okay, so this is one more resist support here. Okay, these are the resistance marks, and this is the support marks here. We can't go far, and now yeah, this is it's a support. Okay, first of all, actually I am following top bottom approach. In top bottom approach, we can see that first of all I have to see the trend where it goes. So you can see it makes higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low. Then it gives a support and then higher high, higher low, higher, lower high and lower low. Now it breaks the resistance from here. We will switch the time frame, and now in this time frame we can clearly see where we stand right now. Actually, we are in the range. We cannot predict whether it will goes down or up because we are not right now in clear support or clear resistance. Yeah, it will be. Now I will draw somehow small resistance, or you can say that support on small time frame. Let's zoom this and we will focus on only this part of the chart. Now in this part of the chart, you can clearly see that now according to price action, what we will see here, let's first of all zoom in, and now there is another resistance and support on 4 hour. Let's see on 4 hour what is happening here. Yeah, we can mark the levels. Okay, so on daily time frame, here we will mark in other level because here you can see it is small spot here. There is a small spot, and now there is a small spot we can mark from here because it is important point, because here is the rejection of EMA also. So we will mark the spot main spot point because you know that it touches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. So here it touched the 7 times. So it is strong spot on 1 day time frame. Now we will see the closest resistance on this point because we have to mark the levels to take a good trade. Let me make one thing clear. We cannot trade if we don't know the direction of the trend. I can only trade if I know that it is upward or downward, yeah, or sideward. So actually, it's no make sense because if you are taking trade and it's not in, you don't know where it's going up or down. Okay, the main thing is here is the mark of support on 1 day time frame, and now we will, I'm seeing the resistance here up. Yeah, it's gonna be one resistance, but I don't think it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, now I wanna make one resistance more here. don't think it's gonna be worth it, but it is worth it. Here is the perfect resistance because you can see there's a lot of rejection from here. The first, second, third, and then fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. There is a lot of rejection from this level. Now we have marked our levels. Okay, these are two levels on data frame. Now we will move on to the next thing, which is called, I think there is the connection error or something. Okay, let's just wait. I will fix it. I will fix this. So nothing, no problem. I think there is an issue occur while streaming. There's YouTube notification that your stream is not going very well. I think there is an internet connection or any other connection errors it shows. Let me make them clear. Okay, I think I have almost some time, actually 5 to 8 minutes, and in these 8 minutes, I will quickly analyze the chart. Now, I have analyzed, we know that the trend of the market actually on weekly it is downtrend, and on daily you can see the trend. Now we are on the 4 hour time frame, and let make the closer look. Here you can clearly see that these two are the supports and resistance on daily time frame, and now we are on the 4 hour time frame. And 4 hour time frame you can clearly see that it is a clear spot here. If it will break, it can go down up to 86,000 and then rebound from there, because in 86,000 there is a strong support on daily time frame. So bigger time frame matters more than smaller time frame. In upside, it is clear resistance here. So it is quite of, you can say, stuck here. We cannot trade right now in this situation because we don't know whether it's uptrend or downtrend. Whether we know that on bigger time frame it is downtrend right now, but Monthly is uptrend, on weekly it is downtrend, and now on daily we have analyzed on daily time frame. Now you can see clearly here downtrend from here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now it is completely, now it is in this area, the price is totally stuck. It is not moving up or down. We have to wait the confirmation. Without confirmation we can't do any trade, because it is the process of doing good trades and doing real trading. So I think it is, I have to end my day here, because I don't think that we're gonna trade today, because the market is totally stuck and we don't see any direction right now. Let's see, marks the levels, support and resistance level on 4 hour time frame. There is first resistance level here. You can clearly see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. There's a lot of touches here. It is a strong resistance right now. And if we see on the spot, it is exactly on the spot right now. Exactly. This is clear support. You can see that it is. Yeah. Now we can trade right now in this scenario. We can see on 1 hour, if we zoom in further, yeah, it is right now on 4 hour time zone support, and maybe it will go touch on the 4 hour time frame resistance. But there is a lot other resistance. There is small resistance also here. Not a small resistance, actually it is also mm, very, it can give very tough time to the market, because there is 50 EMA right here. It will also give the resistance, and there is also resistance right here, here, here. So actually the market is stuck right here. We can't trade in this situation. You can clearly see that in 4 hour time frame there is also an other resistance. So the market is right now moving, making candles. You can see the actual candles, 3 or 4 candles. It didn't break the support and resistance of that market. When it will break, then we will make decisions whether we gonna take trades or not. Okay, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna cut the live right now, I think, because there is no trade today. Take care of yourself and see you next time. Maybe if I will see any type of trade, I'll let you know and you can also watch. Okay, thank you.